Like a weather box?
Exactly. I can't see that happening though, can you?
Actually, it so happens.
I mean, you'd have to be really clever to do that. And I just can't see anyone right here.
I've invented a weather box.
Well, why didn't you say so?
I did try.
Honestly, Billy, you let me ramble on. You are a nitwit sometimes.
Would you like to see it?
Oh, yes, please.
Would you like to see it, boys and girls? Wow, that's super duper. Right, okay then, here we go.
You mean impressed? So you're telling me this, contraption can create a snowstorm?
Absolutely. Would you like to see it in action? Now, I push the button for a snowstorm. Brace yourself, buddy. Here it comes. Up below. It's on its way.
Start strong, Billy. That's not snow. It's rain.
Rain.
Turn it off quickly.
Oh dear. That wasn't supposed to happen.
You've made everyone all soggy. What are we going to do now?
Well, as great grandpa Bear used to say, if it goes, don't succeed. So,
No. The saying is, if at first you don't succeed, try again.
no, silly me. Well, I'll better have another go with it.
No more rain though.
No more rain. Snowstorm attempt number 2 coming up. Now, I push the button for a snowstorm. Again. Oh, brace yourself, buddy. Here it comes. Up we go. It's on its way. Anytime now.
Petrified porridge. You've covered us all in the right pea soup.
Pea soup.
Oh, you've made us all brown. What you don't have is snow.
No snow.
Sweet sultanas. Don't you know what time it is?
No.
It's that time. Time for a very special person to pay us a wee visit.
Oh, goody bum drops.
Gumdrops, Billy. Audience, can you guess who this very special person is? I'll give you a wee clue. He wears red and he has a big white beard. That's right, everyone. Please welcome to the skyline. Father Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Did I hear someone mention my name? How lovely to see you, especially you and you. Have been particularly good this year.
Have I been good too?
Of course we have, Billy. So much so, I want you and Bonnie and all the children and grown-ups to help me do some magic.
Magic! Wow!
Yes, magic. You see, I've come to light the Christmas tree.
What do you want us to do?
I have a magic spell, and I need everyone's help to see it. Do you think you can help me, audience?
Join in, everyone!
Repeat after me. Christmas sparkles everywhere.
Christmas sparkles everywhere.
Over here and over there.
Over here and over there.
Now put them together.
Christmas sparkles everywhere. Over here and over there.
That is marvelous.
No, don't
Say your part of the spell, and I'll say mine, and we'll see if together we can light the Christmas tree.
Get ready, everyone! Up to 3!
1, 2, 3.
Christmas sparkles everywhere. Over here and over there.
Christmas sparkles for you and me. Spread the sparkles over the tree. Trying to tell me about your snowstorm?
How did you know?
I know everything. You don't need a machine to create a snowstorm. I can conjure up a snowstorm for you. But once again, I will need everyone's help. What we need to do is fill the air with the spirit of Christmas.
How do we do that?
By all singing together.
Join in, everyone! The words are on the screen!
I've been hanging out the stocking on your wall. It's a time that every Santa has a ball. Does he ride the red-nosed reindeer? Does he climb up on his sleigh? Do the fairies keep him sober for a day? Come on, everyone! So here it is, Merry Christmas. Everybody's having fun. Look to the future now. It's only just begun. So here it is, Merry Christmas. Everybody's having fun. Look to the future now. It's only just begun. It's just begun. Merry Christmas!
Well done, everyone. That's perfect. That's just the right amount of Christmas spirit for Billy's snowstorm to take place. Now for some more magic. Christmas spirit everywhere, over here and over there. Christmas spirit filled with love. Let Billy's snowstorm fall from above. It's time for the countdown for the snowstorm. Everyone, join in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you for taking part in tonight's snowstorm.